I'm coming to you from a listing I have in the National. Parkville is literally one of the most beautiful cities in Missouri, in my opinion, because we're on a high elevation. You could get to Overland Park or downtown within 15 minutes from here. One of the most sought after neighborhoods in the Northland, award-winning Parkville schools, and you back to a golf course. You see this little trail behind me right here? That's where the cart crossing goes, and we are on the 13th hole. We're in a cul-de-sac, and you have the view of the golf course. Beautiful open floor plan, hardwoods, granite, custom cabinetry, formal dining room right here. A lot of new windows have been put in and they're very large. You have lots of light that flows through here and you have the view of the 13th hole. We have new stainless steel appliances. Here's the gas stove because you know, if you cook, gas is the way to go, right? There's 2 laundry hookups in this house. One right off the kitchen, which is actually a laundry room, and views of the golf course. There's a space for a pool table that could be right here and overlooking the golf course. Also, there is this storage space over here that the owner is using for an office right now, but it's large enough to be finished for a bedroom. There is a surround sound for the whole house. Okay, we have a wine cellar. Can you stop for a second and just take note of this? And it's really, really, really cool. It's nice to have a full bathroom right off of your bar because there's also a gym space down here. So if you like to get your workout on, grab a glass of wine and hop in the shower, you can do that. And another storage room. Now we're gonna go upstairs. This is the master. This is the master suite, and these floors are heated. This is your nice little seating area, and also you have another laundry hookup. This is so fun. Okay, this is the martini deck right off the master, and we have views of the golf course again. Thank you so much for tuning in. My information is below. I'd love to help you out for any questions that you have about Kansas City. Born and raised native, #1 on social media in America. I'm your girl. Please reach out to me, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.